Good morning everyone. Students, in this class we are going to learn the uses of should, must and ought. Should, must and ought. Okay, you all must have come across these words in your English grammar. They are models. Okay, so we have already discussed the different usage of other models in the previous video. In this class we will be looking at all the different usage of should, must and ought. Should, must and ought. And you know, we have not to only look at the different usage of should, must and ought. In this session we will be learning how to frame sentences by making use of them. Okay, and how to use them in your spoken English, in your conversation every day, in your writing compositions, means everywhere. So until you have the proper knowledge, what is the meaning that comes out when sentences are framed, making use of should, must and ought, right? I'll tell you the Hindi meaning also, that when we make sentences, okay, using should, using must and using ought to our in our language, in our spoken English, in our conversation, what is the meaning that comes out? Should, must and ought, right? If I tell you the meaning of all the three words here, the meaning is, the Hindi meaning is चाहिए. Which चाहिए? आपको आइसक्रीम चाहिए, पेन चाहिए, नोटबुक चाहिए, वो चाहिए नहीं. Here, you know, I'll be talking about a different चाहिए. Okay, they are used along with the main word. All the modals, as I have told you in my previous videos also, that modals are used with the main verbs, in sentences, and they give a different meaning. Okay, so here the meaning of the Hindi meaning of should, must and ought to is चाहिए. Okay, and you know how these three modals should and ought to are used interchangeably. Means, you know, if you look at the meaning of both the modals should and ought to, if sentences are framed, there is a minor difference, and you know that is the minor difference that I want each and everybody of you to learn. Okay, that what is that minor difference when we make any sentences using should or using ought, then what is the difference between the two? Okay, so should. Okay, should is used, this particular model, should is used to express duty or obligation. As I told you, should is used for expressing duty or obligation. Duty or obligation, what is the meaning of duty or obligation? What is the meaning of duty or obligation? Means, आपका जो कर्तव्य है उसके लिए चाहिए, as I told, which चाहिए we were talking about here. ओके, मेन वर्ड प्लस चाहिए. सोना चाहिए, पढ़ना चाहिए, खेलना चाहिए, रोना चाहिए, सीखना चाहिए, गाना गाना चाहिए. ओके, सो व्हेन यू कम अक्रॉस सच सॉर्ट ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, देन वी हैव टू फ्रेम, ओके, these sentences making use of the word should. Here we have to use the modal should. Okay, should plus main word, like should play, should go, should run. Okay, should sing, should study, should learn, should win the match, should pass in the exam. Okay, this is how we have to frame sentences. First of all, we'll be making use of the subjects. After that, the modals that we require, should, must, ought, and then the main verbs. After modals, we have to use main verbs, and then other words of the sentences will be used or written like this. Okay. Now look at the use of must. Must means necessity or obligation. Necessity, you know, when we are talking about something that is very, very necessary, that is, you know, needed totally to be done. Means, in order to emphasize on our sentences, when something is very necessary, when something is very, very important to be done, to be performed, okay, that's when we make use of must, okay, rather than should. When we make sentences or we tell or speak sentences from using the modal should, Like I should play. What is the meaning? I should play, I should sing, I should go, I should learn. मुझे खेलना चाहिए, पढ़ना चाहिए, मुझे सोना चाहिए, उसे जाना चाहिए. वहाँ पे क्या यूज़ करेंगे? We have to use the modal should. Okay. But when we come across, when we have the sentences like something very important and necessity or obligation. Okay, when there is any work very important to be done, very necessary to be done, okay, that's where we have to use the word, the modal must. Okay, like you must get up early in the morning. What is the meaning? आपको सुबह में एकदम जल्दी उठना चाहिए, अवश्य उठना चाहिए. It gives the sense of okay, अवश्य. Okay, means that is very compulsory, that is necessary. You must go for a morning walk. आपको मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए हमेशा हर दिन जाना चाहिए. यू मस्ट टेक योर मेडिसिन ऑन टाइम. यू मस्ट स्टडी हार्ड. यू मस्ट ट्राई योर बेस्ट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. यू मस्ट लर्न प्रॉपरली टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स इन द एग्जाम. सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ. शुड एंड मस्ट. ओके, शुड इज यूज फॉर okay general use, for general sentences where we talk about, where we have to express general duty or general obligation. But when the duty and obligation becomes very necessary, very important to be done, that's where we have to use the modal must. Right? Okay, once again look at the example. You must get up early in the morning. You must go for a morning walk. You must study hard to score good marks. Okay, you must try your best to speak in English, to talk in English. Okay, this is how we have to frame sentence. And what about how to? About how to, look at the example, look at the uses, moral obligation or desire ability. Moral obligation. Okay, so all these three models are used for talking about obligation, but a different obligation. Should is used for a simple obligation that is not very necessary. Okay, that is used as a suggestion, suggestion or advice. Okay. And must is used to emphasize on the sentences that whatever I am telling you, that is very necessary, that is very important for you to do. Okay, so in order to emphasize on our sentences, we make use of the modal must. And what about how to? About how to, I told you that nowadays what happens in modern English, even modern speakers are making use of the modal should only. Okay, should only. Now how to, the modal how to has become outdated. That is not most of in the use nowadays. Okay, because these two words should and ought to are nowadays okay interchangeably used. Both are used at the place of each other. Okay, so nowadays most commonly used modal should. Okay, but what about moral obligation? When we talk about the moral obligation or moral duty, like you ought to obey your parents. To obey your parents, that is a moral obligation, not a simple obligation. Okay, you ought to respect your country. You ought to love your younger ones. Okay, आपको अपने छोटों को प्यार करना चाहिए. You ought to respect your elders. अपने बड़ों का सम्मान करना चाहिए. Means when we are talking about moral obligation, नैतिक कर्तव्य की जब जहाँ पे बात होती है, तो we must make sure that we use the modal ought. But otherwise, what is happening nowadays? This ought to has become outdated. Okay, this is the model that very few people most commonly use in their conversation, in their language. Okay, but that is the difference that we all must be aware about. If sentences are framed making use of should and ought to, what is the difference that we must look at it. Okay, ought to talks about the moral obligation or moral duty or desirability, but should talks about the simple obligation or simple duty. Okay, that is used when we talk about a suggestion or a piece of advice. Okay, that is the minor difference that we all must be aware about. Okay, once again look at the examples that I have given. I must go. I must go is the meaning, मतलब मुझे अवश्य जाना चाहिए. ओके, बट आई शुड गो, मुझे जाना चाहिए. आई आउट टू गो मीन्स हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम मोरल ड्यूटी. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट जाना तो मोरल ड्यूटी नहीं है. सो इट इज जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, लाइक आई आउट टू रेस्पेक्ट आवर पेरेंट्स, आई आउट टू रेस्पेक्ट ऑल आवर एल्डर्स, आई आउट टू लव आवर नेशन, आवर कंट्री. ओके, सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सच मोरल obligations, we have to make use of ought to instead instead of should. Okay. They should go. Okay. They should run. We should run. I should play. They should go. Okay. We should dance. It should go. This is how you have to make sentences. Okay. Subject plus modals and then plus main words and then other words of the sentences will be coming. Now I hope it is clear now to use of should for general and most common application, that is used for talking about suggestion or piece of advice, and must is used for emphasizing on the sentences that we speak, write or frame. Okay, when the action that we are talking about that is very necessary, that is very important to be done. Okay, that's where we have to use must instead of should. And what about how to, that is now the model of bygone days, that is mostly now outdated, because modern speakers and writers are only making use of the word should. But that is the minor difference. How to talks about the moral obligation and moral duty or desirability. Okay, that is very important to learn. I hope that you all are now able to frame sentences making use of these models in your conversation, in your communication, in your writing skills, in your composition. Okay, so that's it for this particular class. See you next with some another topic. Thanks for watching.